Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Goku Balloons is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after collectibles for any Dragon Ball Z enthusiast, bringing the power and spirit of the legendary Saiyan warrior right into your home or party space, making any celebration an epic event worthy of the Dragon Ball universe itself. Number 5. 100 PCS Clear Long Latex Balloons. Discover endless fun with these clear, long balloons. They are perfect for creating amazing balloon animals and sculptures. Twist them into animals, flowers, swords, or hats. These balloons are ideal for parties, carnivals, and magic shows, bringing joy to kids of all ages. Crafted from durable, premium latex, these balloons are designed for modeling and decorating. They come in assorted colors to enhance any event. Inflating them is a breeze with a balloon pump. Remember to leave some space and release air to prevent popping, ensuring a smooth experience. These fun, long balloons are not just for entertainment. They help develop children's creativity and motor skills as they craft their own balloon masterpieces. What we like. If you're new to balloon twisting and want to create fun animal shapes, these are a great starting point. They are designed for ease of use, making them perfect for kids' parties and beginner crafters. You should consider these if you want a straightforward way to bring balloon art to life. What people say. The balloons are a good size and the print quality is excellent, making Goku look very vibrant and detailed. They held air well and stayed inflated throughout the entire party, which was a huge plus. The colors are bright and true to the character, adding a fantastic visual element to the decorations. Number 4. LXZFCRG Metallic Twisting Balloons Kit. Introducing the LXZFCRG Metallic Twisting Balloons Kit, your all-in-one solution for stunning balloon art. These balloons are designed for endless fun and creativity. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly latex, these balloons are 20% thicker than standard ones, ensuring they are strong, vibrant, and safe for everyone, including children. Twist them into animals, flowers, or any shape imaginable. Perfect for birthdays, weddings, holidays, and any celebration that needs a touch of magic. This kit is ideal for parent-child DIY activities. Spend quality time creating together, enhancing your child's imagination and strengthening your bond. These balloons encourage creativity, hand-eye coordination, and problem-solving skills. Watch as your children bring their wildest ideas to life. Each kit comes with a pump for easy inflation. Simply stretch the balloon and inflate at a steady pace for best results. Enjoy hassle-free fun. What we like. For those looking to add a touch of sparkle and durability to their party decorations, these metallic balloons are ideal. Their thicker, high-quality material ensures they last longer and look more vibrant. If you're planning a special event like a wedding or a themed party and want a professional, eye-catching look, these are the ones to choose. What people say. The balloons are vibrant and hold their shape well. Great for a Dragon Ball Z themed party, the kids love them. Good quality material, they didn't pop easily. Number 3. Blue Balloons Garland Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning blue and orange balloon garland arch kit. It's the perfect way to add a pop of color and excitement to any celebration. This comprehensive kit includes a variety of orange, light blue, and navy blue latex balloons in different sizes. You'll also receive a balloon chain and dispensing tools for easy assembly. Crafted from durable, premium latex, these balloons are built to last and maintain their vibrant colors. You can trust them to stay inflated and look fantastic throughout your event. Setting up your balloon garland arch is a breeze with our included strip kit. We've designed it for easy assembly, so you can create a beautiful decoration without any hassle. Whether it's a birthday, baby shower, wedding, or any other special occasion, this balloon arch kit is incredibly versatile. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor decorations, adding a festive touch to any gathering. These balloons can be filled with air or helium for long-lasting enjoyment. For the best look, avoid overfilling and keep them away from direct sunlight and sharp objects. What we like. If you're planning a party with a specific color scheme, like a sports theme or a gender reveal, this kit is perfect. It provides everything needed to create a stunning balloon arch or garland in blue and orange. You should choose this if you want a cohesive and impressive decoration that's easy to set up for events like birthdays or baby showers. What people say. The balloons are a good size and the print quality is excellent, making Goku look vibrant and detailed. They held air well and didn't deflate quickly, which was great for a long party. The colors are bright and true to the character, adding a fun atmosphere to the celebration. Number 2. Red Black Yellow Balloon Arch Garland Kit. Transform your party space with this stunning balloon arch garland kit. It's the perfect way to add a pop of color and excitement to any celebration. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, from a variety of latex balloons in red, black, and yellow, to star and lightning bolt foil balloons. You'll also find all the accessories for easy assembly. Crafted from safe, non-toxic, and durable latex, these balloons are built to last. They hold air or helium beautifully, ensuring your decorations stay vibrant throughout your event. Whether it's a birthday, baby shower, or any themed party, this kit is incredibly versatile. It's ideal for creating a lively atmosphere for boys, girls, and adults alike. Creating a spectacular balloon garland is simple. Just inflate the balloons to varying sizes and attach them to the included strips for a custom look. Remember, these are for decoration only and require adult supervision for children. Be sure not to overinflate the balloons to prevent bursting. What we like. For a vibrant and fun party atmosphere, especially for cartoon-themed birthdays or celebrations, this kit is a fantastic choice. It includes unique foil balloons like lightning bolts and stars to enhance the theme. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to create a lively and memorable backdrop for a kid's party, this is the set for you. What people say. The balloons are a good size and vibrant color, perfect for a Dragon Ball Z themed party. They held air well and looked great as part of the balloon arch. The print quality on the balloons is excellent, with clear images of Goku. Number 1. Sun-Staches Dragon Ball Z Sunglasses. Step into the world of Dragon Ball Z with these iconic sunglasses. Perfect for any fan looking to embody their favorite character. Choose your destiny. Whether you're channeling Goku's heroic spirit or Vegeta's proud power, these shades are ready for action. Designed for comfort, these sunglasses are lightweight and easy to wear for extended adventures. You'll barely notice they're there. From costume parties to everyday wear, these are the ultimate accessory. They're costume ready and built to impress. Protect your eyes in style. These sunglasses offer full 100% UV protection, keeping your vision safe while you explore. Designed to fit most fans comfortably. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves the Dragon Ball Z universe. What we like. If you're a fan of Dragon Ball Z and looking for the perfect accessory to complete a costume or add a fun touch to a themed party, these sunglasses are a must-have. They offer full UV protection, making them practical as well as stylish. You should grab these if you want to show off your fandom in a cool and functional way. What people say. The balloons are a good size for decoration. The print quality on the balloons is excellent, with vibrant colors and clear images of Goku. They were easy to inflate and held air well throughout the party. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.